I wish I knew this earlier before I started making content. I wish I knew this. I wouldn't have wasted my money buying a Lavia mic or $20. Making content I was already in my dream. So I watch people and I see them saying you need a mic before you can start making content. So I went on and bought a Lavia mic for $20 and bought. I wish I knew this earlier. I wouldn't have bought this mic because now you guys think I'm using this mic, but no, I'm not using the mic. Can you see? The mic is right here, competes right here, but I'm not using it because AI have made everything easy for you. You don't need a mic to start making content. And if you are watching the video, you are watching this video and you are thinking of go and buying a mic, please stop. Please stop. Don't waste your money. You don't need a mic. All you need is your phone. And come to think of it, my phone is way far from me because this is crazy. Before, I used to take my phone nearer, but now this phone is far and the audio still sound good. Like I'm using a mic, but I'm not using my mic. I'm going to show you how to do this. When I found out this out, I was so super happy, but I feel like I wasted my money because I wish I knew this earlier. I wouldn't have bought this mic. I would have wasted this money to go and buy this mic. I would just use the money for something else. So guys, I'm making this video for you, upcoming content creator that is thinking of buying a mic. Is don't do this. Don't be like me. Don't waste your money. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone. All you need is just your phone. You don't need anything else. You don't need a mic. We don't need this. Who need a mic when you have AI? You don't need a mic. All you need is your phone. Firstly, what we're gonna do is to convert our video to audio. So just download any MP3, any video to MP3 app on Play Store or App Store. Or you can look at mine to know exactly the one I'm using. So after you have downloaded it, you open the app. So before you are doing this, make sure you have edited your video to avoid any obstruction later. Make sure you have edited your video before you convert it to audio. Okay, so you come onto this place here, you tap on here, and then wait for it to load. Then you tap on your edited video, the video which you have edited. You tap on it, then you change the name so that you can search on it if you want to enhance it. So just change the name to the name you prefer. And please, I want to let you guys know about something. If you are using this app, you need to change it to MP3. Tap on here to change it to MP3. Okay, then you convert to audio. Alright, you need that MP3, that .mp3 need to be shown for you to be able to enhance it on the AI website I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so once you have converted your video to audio, then you go to this website, Adobe Podcast. Okay, you just sign up on an account. Once you sign up on an account, you come to this enhanced speech. Then you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to see this interface here, as you are seeing it on my phone right now. Then you're going to tap on choose on file. Mind you, there's this place which they write V1, V2. This V2 here, you can change it to V1. There's V1, there's V2, but I'm using V2 because V2 is for indoor video, like video that does not have a lot of external sound. But if you do your video, maybe you make your video out in the outdoor where people are much, where the noise are much, maybe there is generator or other things, then you tap on V1 because V1 cleaned much than V2. Okay, then you tap on choose file. tap on choose file, then you choose the file from your file manager. Remember we have changed the name, okay? So we just need to search it. That's why I changed the name, so that you can search it easily, not by looking for it on your file for long. You just go on, search on it, just tap on your search bar, then you search on it. How to enhance, okay, as you can see here, you tap on it. All right, it's enhancing now, so you just have to wait for about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Just wait, depending on how long your MP3 is, which is your audio is, and just wait. Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. All right, our speech is enhancing now. Okay, you don't need mic, you just need this AI tools. It's so good. It clear all external sound. Okay, all right, our sound is enhanced now. Our sound is ready. You just go on, tap on download. You can see here. Okay, let me just draw an arrow so that you guys can see it. Okay, you can see this arrow here. Let me tap on an arrow so that you guys can see it. Okay, all right, so that download button there, you tap on it. So as you can see now, our audio is downloaded. Now go back to your editing software, upload your edited video, remove that sound and add this sound to it as a music. Thanks for watching.